Sahil Kumar, and I am coordinator of this group E. So I will start with Cadet Priyanshu Maji 5296. Cadet Priyanshu Maji 5296, please start your speech on productive year 2021.
Sahil, can you repeat the topic once again? Sahil, can
Regarding
you repeat the
productive
topic
year
once?
2021, regarding 2021, how much productive you felt or you feel the year was? Regarding 2021, Anupam, I hope you can hear.
Yes, sir, I can hear. Sir, why no one is starting anything?
Sir,
Actually,
I think
his mic,
attending but not physically
his
present. So
his
he
mic
can move
is
on to the next speaker.
next speaker. If your fellow friend, if your fellow partner, if your teammate, team member, whoever is silent, is reticent, then you take your part. You volunteer, you take initiative, because see, you can see here, leadership skill initiative is one
Okay, sir.
issue.
Okay, sir. I am
Okay.
taking an initiative.
Yes.
So, a very warm good morning to anyone not present over here. As my friend Priyanshu Maji is not present over in this platform, so I am going to give a speech on the reproductive year of this 2021. That how I feel that year and how this year has gone to me. As we all know that this year means something, that what is the experience of this year. My experience was that it was not to be good and not to be bad. It was in a medium. Like in many days I would like to give a scold from my parents that do not do this thing, they do not do that things. And in some days I also get many, not I also get many things from my parents, that yeah, you have done a very good work, so that we are giving you that. मम्मी रुक जा, मैं speech दे रहा हूँ मैं. हाँ. So sir, we cannot say that an year is, sir, this year was memorable for me because I'm so sorry, sir. So as this year was very memorable for me because and 7 January 2021 my birthday was there. My parent has gifted me my parent has gifted me many things, like one casio and many things. And so as my and 29 April my brother birthday has come, so I have enjoyed it. And so on 2021, biggest thing which has come, that is COVID-19. So that all the school colleges has closed for a year because due to pandemic we cannot open the school, so that the children could be affected. So that from the 2020 in December, in the last month, we have already observed that something is going on, but nobody has kept an eye about that because they were thinking that just a small virus has come, not a too big, and nobody has thinking about that this small virus will take a big big thing. Like today we can see that only 2 lakh cases are coming, and at that time about 8 lakhs cases were coming. So we can see the figure up that we have, and our recovery rate is also increasing. That is 92 point something. I have not remembered. So this year also, I have not gone to school. My brother's schools was open, so he was going to school, and I was just feeling jealous about that. But that why he was going to school and I was not, and I was just in a home and attending my online classes properly. And then again, this virus has come, so that my brother's school is also open, and he's also attending the online classes from home. So, and after that, the summer has. After that, our summer vacations was there, and then after that we have not think that we have to do the online classes. And first of all, very few attendees was there when the online classes were started in our school. So that then from now, our currently 52 attendees are there which is attending the class, but at that time only few cadets were attending. and what I can say more.
10, 20.
And okay, sir. Thank you, sir. This was my speech from Group
Great,
C. If you have any
great,
questions,
great.
you can drop me.
No questions, Anupam. The speech was great, and our mind also goes on that. Thank you, Anupam, for depressing our previous days.
Sir, am I
So,
audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Sir, that time my mobile got hanged. That's why I
Yes,
am
yeah, I came to
speaking, but
know. I
no
came to
one
know.
can hear.
Carry on, please. I came to know.
Okay, sir. Now I want to take the roll call. Roll number 5272. Are you present?
Yes.
Roll number 5296. Priyanshu Maji. Roll number 5298. Roll number 5300.
yeah,
If you
I
are
am present
present,
and
you'll
I
see
have
that
already
I am
given the
present,
speech.
right?
What, sir?
If you are present, I'm telling your friends, members, they will share that I am present. And can you see the
Yes.
screen? I show one screen, group discussion. What are the
Yes, sir.
traits?
Group discussion
Yes,
is
sir.
ready.
Yes, yes,
Yes, sir. I have
yes,
seen it.
yes, yes.
Roll number 5300. Cadet Anupam.
Yes, I am present, Sal Kumar.
Roll number 5302.
Yes.
Roll number 5322.
Sahil, you have taken already roll call. So I request you that you please start the speech, or you can give it chance, or we can give opportunity to 5 to 7 to that is Simran Gulen. Please do that.
Okay.
I don't
Hartley Bond
understand. Nobody is
are
having
present.
problem. Why Anupam is having only the problem?
No, no,
Because
Anupam is
so
sharing
because
his
Sahil
word.
has already taken the roll call and
Again,
it
do
is a
not
waste
fall.
of time. That's why I am telling that
Yes,
to
again,
start
do
this
not
speech.
fall into any kind of, this kind of argumentation. Anupam is sharing his word only. That's it, nothing else. Carry on.
Yes.
Carry on, please.
Okay, sir.
Heartily bonjour to one and all present in this online group discussion. Now I am going to start group E discussion. The topic is productive year 2021. I am giving you all 5 minutes time to research about it, and then our speech will be start.
Please again tell the topic, please.
Productive year 2021.
Means you are going to look back the year 2021, 2021, how it was, and what was your feeling, what was your participation, how much your understanding of that regarding various perspectives and all.
Yes, sir, like Olympic and online gaming,
Yes, yes,
cryptocurrency,
yes,
etc.
yes. India's condition, coronavirus, whatever you feel. It's a broad issue, broad topics are there. So you can easily, spend your 2 to 3 minutes in
Yes,
that,
sir. So
right?
I also want to add one more, add more and more points.
Sure, you can, as your friends are not starting, so you can
Yes, yes.
again take permission and again start. Okay, what goes wrong?
Sir, I have
You are,
given them time to
yes,
research about the topic,
yes,
and then
yes,
they will.
yes, yes. Okay,
Only 3 minutes are left.
okay,
Okay.
okay. Someone is typing something in the group and WhatsApp group 8709436203. What do you want to share? Is it related to today's class? If it is so, then you can share to me directly. 8709436203. I don't know. His number is not saved with me.
I think he is typing about his leave.
Sorry, sir. This time Abhijit Kumar. Sorry, sir. This time my phone is hang. I am not attention class. Abhijit still could not write 2 lines. This times my phone is hang that I am not attention class. Chalo. Abhijit Kumar 5298.
I don't want to speak in this group discussion, so that he has written like this.
Abhijit was present, no? Few minutes back.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, he was present few minutes back.
No problem, no problem. See, see those boys who will be absent, for them I will have separate arrangement. No, don't worry for that. So those who are present and willing to appear, please continue. Please continue. Because see, from you boys only, you will be. I told yesterday, no. In years to come, you will have to take. You'll have to take a broader responsibilities based on online these all things. Where journal students from other Sainik schools all over India, they will be. You will have to coordinate with them. You have to organize this kind of competitions, right? That
Yes.
confidence where you will
Yes.
get. If you don't speak among your friends, if you cannot answer your friends' argumentation, when your friend will have, see, I have a problem, I cannot tolerate this, and you cannot handle that situation, then how you will learn? That is why, because syllabus is over, and I felt that 2, 3, 4
Yes.
days, if I, utilize, then somehow if some quality I can nurture, that is the purpose, nothing else, right? But if someone is feeling that no,
The time is up to research. So now,
time is up, so you can
they
start.
would like to give their speech.
There
Yes,
were
sir.
15 minutes are left.
Cadet 5. Cadet what?
Continue, I'll continue.
What?
No, by mistake, that was slip of tongue, by mistake. Continue, please.
Yes. Roll number 5272. Cadet Chandan Gorai. Please start your speech.
Sahil, still now my research is going on. Can you give me some more time? Till then, any further cadet may speak. Please.
Okay. Okay. Hurry up. And roll number 5296. Priyanshu Maji. Please start.
Priyanshu Maji is not present. Move further.
Okay. Roll number 5300. Anupam Misra.
Yes,
Start,
I am
please.
present. So a very cold and frosty good morning once
Start,
again to
please.
everyone not present over here. Today I, Karan Mishra from Group D. So sorry sir for mistake. So once again I'm starting. Good morning to everyone not present over here. Today I, Karan Mishra from Group E is here to give a small speech on the given topic, that is productive year 2021. As we all know that in this year, just I am memorizing you that what has happened in this year. In this year we have learned many things, and then at that year we were in class 7th. So and in that year also the COVID-19 has came, so that we have also seen that how dangerous is that COVID-19. From only the two cases, he that cases were at 2 lakh 2 lakh or 2 lakh 20,000. We can see that how the growth is there of COVID-19 in all, in not all over India, so in all over world only. So and then also we can see that in the sports where our country is so much developed, that India has not won the World Cup in the cricket, but at least they have gone and played the World Cup. They have put their much efforts, but they have not won. And in the 2021, I have also remembered that and then we are in the class 7th, and then I have scored 90% in my final exams of class 7th. And then in 2021 we also remembered that And then when the people have not any job, they also used to see the many social network sites, that is YouTube, and in 2021 also many gamers like Total Gaming and many gamers which don't have their YouTube channel, and for like Cariminati also. From that only they are incoming, and nowadays also. So we can see that 2021 is more far better and more calm and more far bad. So I would like to conclude my speech here. Thank you for giving me chance for our coordinator and our English teacher, that is Mr. Rahman sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Sahil, may I speak now?
Yes, you can start.
Yes.
Now we are going to start with our next delegate, Cadet Chandan Gorai, roll number 5272.
Yes. Good morning to our Rahman sir and all my dear friends. Today I am going to give a speech on the productive year 2021 on gaming empowerment. So in this 2020, the whole world has gone in a depth of the COVID, and the all world co- has been quarantined, and now the 2021 has arrived with a new desires. So in this 2021, many has a good times also, and many had bad times. But the most boosting one is that gaming community. Gaming community has been increased by the whole power. Many of the channels and in YouTube and other community has been grown from a small to a big, and now in this 2021 they had a very auspicious year for many ones. Many of them has been from 0 to 1000 followers, and many of them, the whole community of gaming has has just earned 253 billion rupees in just a single year. So my speech is over here only, and thank you everyone.
Can I
Thank
ask
you,
one
Chandan.
question?
You have,
Yes.
okay, you can ask with Anupam and
How the year
Chandan
become
Gorai.
Chandan? Chandan, how the year become auspicious? Could you explain it?
Yes, in 2020, the whole world has been a very hard for everyone, for the poor and everyone. And in 2021, there was little bit means there was little bit okay with all them. Means the poor could now get food, can do work. I think you have got
2021
your
is much harder.
yes.
2021
I
is
think
much harder than 2020.
No, I don't think so, because 2021 many person has been died than 2021. It has given in the reports. I can give you the website from where I have researched. You can see and
Who died?
Can you give?
Who
what?
died? They not have problem, but who alive? They had the problem in 2021.
I didn't get your question.
I am telling that what the problem with that person, but the person who alive in 2021 had the
Yes.
problem.
No, many people has not even get the food to eat, and they had died in 2020.
Can you give me some reports or
Yes, I
facts?
can give you that in India only, the present case, the cases of 2021 was larger than the 2021. I can give
Tell
you the
me,
website link. You can
tell
see
me
there.
numbers.
Cadet Chris, are you satisfied with Cadet Chandan's answer?
Till now, I am not satisfied.
Okay, so the present, so in 2020, the cases were only 7 lakh and 34,000 according to my research, and in 2021 it has been decreased by 5,064. Have you got your answer?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, the next boy, please.
Sir, I think
File, please move on.
Sai's mobile again hang.
Okay, so you take initiative when Sahil is not there. Any one of you take initiative.
So I can take initiative of
Yes.
my group.
Yes, yes.
So as our coordinator Sahil is not there, so I can remember. So I'm sorry. So as our group coordinator, that is Sahil Kumar, so that is not there. So I am taking our initiative. So our
I
next
am here.
cadet is Cadet Siddharth Pathak, 502.
He has come back, I think.
Yes, sir. Sir, that time again my mobile got hang.
Yes, yes, no problem. This happens. This is the one drawback.
Sir, because the storage is full in my mobile.
Yes, yes. So you can take initiative now.
Yes, sir. As Cadet Anupam and Chandan has given the speech nicely, and I would like to give chance to Cadet Siddharth Pathak to speak about productive year 2021. Cadet Siddharth,
Yes.
please start.
Siddharth, you are required now. I think that
Sir, I
Siddharth
think
also, yes, Siddharth also got some issues.
yes, sir. Sir, then 5322, Cadet Subham Raj. Are you present? If you are present, then start. What?
5311 present. 5311 present.
Yes, then you can start.
A very heartily good morning to everyone, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am till productive year 2021 from online advantage of online classes, advantage and disadvantage. Online education refers to the type of knowledge which is imparted through at the internet of millions people globally enroll in the online course and can learn from the comfort their homes. Online education can come in different way. They could educational webinars and videos of internet or even face-to-face learning on the laptop with the teacher which utilize internet. And advantage of online classes, online education enable us to learn from various mentors and teachers different areas in increasing our knowledge and perspective. It reduced to nervous among students as many able to communicate more through online education than regular classes. On one can learn from merely apply as long they have available for internet device. Online second point, online education normally provides a chance to study at our own speed and there is no rush. Most online courses are usually enjoyable and more comfortable compared to attending traditionally classes. And third point, it spares you the inconvenience of having to travel to a particular destination very single day. Fourth point, online education usually is a more affordable and education further happens to be competitive in cheaper in comparison to conventional educational approaches. Point 5, under the traditional university programs, school to the student are required to concentrate for transportation, textbook, institutional facilities such as gyms, libraries, swimming pools, and others costs are expected to the cost of university education up to. And disadvantage of online class is first point, the advantage that online education bring to students are immense and indescribable. Pursuing an online course is an excellent option in education, partially when the tradition of learning situation have many obstacles such as computing or distancing. Point 2. However, as everything has said, online education also some fundamental drawback that can be inconvenience. Using the computer me too much can the make a student want to playmaking. Third point, it can also cause a vision problems as we see near the laptop almost the whole day. Online education also hinder physically development. Online education can be quite complicated for person. Fourth point, online education detaches you from the classmates and regular classes. That's all.
Okay, great, great. Shahil, I'll request you because today I don't have any more time. Next teacher is already waiting. And so you please conclude.
Yes.
And then whatever questions your friends, other friends have, they can collect and they can send you so that tomorrow we can again discuss, right? Now, while you are discussing
Yes,
and
yes.
taking part, please remember these key points that your ability to work in a team, then your communication skill, reasoning ability, leadership skill, initiative, assertiveness, flexibility, creativity, whether you are listening to your friends or not, whether you are aware to the things or to your content or not, all these come into your matter, or all these come into your main consideration so that you can discuss in the group, right? So you remember this particular
Yes.
portion, particular points also, and I hope you will be doing wonders in years to come, in days to come, and tomorrow we will again start the thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, stay happy, stay blessed.
Yes.
Please send me that image and
Yes.
audio